Annie in there.
Kabila.
Dito.
There!
Here.
Saan ka pupunta dyan? Wala namang...
This way. We should tiptoe.
Topographic.
Wait, it's...
Quiet, kuya.
Wait,
Quiet.
wait. It's the same. Where's our door? Where's our door?
Dito. Hindi siya magja-jacket.
Cheers. Here it is. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but let's see. Oh! It's like we're in Tokyo.
This is not Tokyo. It's just a regular...
This is oh, wait! That was so
Scary.
So, down. Hanggang ano to? Hanggang... Eh, tingnan muna natin kung ano. Wala na.
Mamaya na lang siguro.
Saan tayo pupunta sa lobby?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Init.
Balik na lang tayo pagbaba. Sakit na rin tayo.
Pagbalik. Paano malalaman na service elevator?
Nakalagay sa labas.
Tara, saan tayo pupunta?
Let's go muna sa taas ulit.
Then, ikot na muna tayo. Dito na rin tayo. Ito malamig.
We are exploring this city.
Ay, ito po. Dito.
May roof deck po ito. Meron po, ma'am. Pwede magpunta dito.
Why are we going inside?
Sabihin niyo lang, ma'am.
Ano pang ibang pwedeng puntahan dito maliban sa pool, sa roof deck?
Where are we
Yan
going?
lang. Okay, kuya. Saan yung papunta ang pool, sir? Dito? Pwede naman kami pumasok, no?
Pwede po kayo po. Ay, sa loob ng pool ngayon, sir. Hindi po pwede. Sarado.
Ay, hindi, ikot lang dito.
Ikot lang.
Pwede naman, ma'am. Meron yung pathway na pwede nyo ikutan.
Okay, sige po.
Pero yung buong area hindi pwede ikutan.
That's the name.
Hmm?
And it's so big. It's big as 12 me's.
Yeah.
1 billion me's. That's a lot of me's.
Meron sigurong daanan dun sa kabila.
That was
Ito daw.
it's so nice being here out here. Seeing the sky, the dark sky.
And then,
So much fun. There's our car. Are
it's
we
not our
going home?
car. No, we're not. We're just gonna... Gusto mo ako magdala kaya din?
Wait. There's a shit.
Parang walang daanan dito. Ah, ito. Pathway. Ah, ito. Mauna na kayo.
Oh.
Here, here.
That way. Guys,
Hey, don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout.
dog is so cute.
Walang hat si Halil, no?
Wait. What's the one?
Look, what shape is this?
A triangle.
It's the triangle. Look.
How did you know it's triangle?
Because
Ah, dito yun. Ito yun, yung tapat ng ano.
Pero sarado.
Wala nga pala talagang daanan dito.
This is for the ano. I mean, this This is for the residential.
Oh, there it is. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Parang nasa beach talaga din, ano? Yung feeling. Lakas na nga.
What's that team again? What's that game again?
Huh?
What's that game again?
Ganito kalakas ang hangin sa Boracay. That's basketball court.
Look at the light.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wait. Right. Ah.
Ano yan? Bakit may ganyan? Record. May 5 minutes? Look mo.
Hindi, ano yung time? Parang screensaver. May mga nakatira kaya dito sa baba, no? Pero parang wala, no? Ito mo.
Parang resort yan.
Parang ano lang din, tawag nito. Yung pinaparentahan din ba?
Whoa.
Let's do the left. Left. Oh, let's, ano na, dito na muna.
Yeah.
Para may ito talaga na.
Saan? Left mo.
Left, kuya, left. To the left.
Ayun na yung anak mo. Tama.
I got it.
Hey, bonjour, mami.
Basta sila.
May sand. Grabe, no? Man-made sand talaga, no? Ay, man-made beach.
Bro, ano?
Little Boracay ang tawag dito.
Papa, come faster. Come on, Papa.
Bawal tayo pumasok dyan, yun. Bawal yata. Beach bar.
Look at that.
Ito yung sand na walang ano, walang tae ng pusa. Grabe.
Oh, it's getting brighter. Stop. But now it's on. This looks like a perfect spot for pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, got some picture here.
There, oh.
Come on.
Yeah, go with mama. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. What, me? I'm here. Parang wala na dyan, Han.
Parang wala.
Oo. Parang ito na lang. Ha? Ah, ito dito ikot. Ako na dyan, kay ano ba?
Here, kuya.
To the right. Hello. Kaya saan na tayo napunta, Mama?
What's this? Wow!
Ito yung tinatawag nilang Little Boracay. Ito yung forma niya. Parang triangle. Ito yung meron dito. Lap pool, beach volleyball, Azure Beach Club. Dami. 12. Kasi ito yung mga building. Rio, Santorini, Miami, Positano, Maui, Boracay. Dami. Wow. So beautiful.
It's either number 11.
Wow. It's 11. Yeah.
Go.
It's 11.
Nice. Daanan din pala ito ng aeroplano. Daanan din pala ito ng aeroplano. Oh. Look at that. I can see the pilot.
Hey, go! Go!
Ito naman yung beach volleyball area. Wala ng tao. Ito yung oras nila para mag-maintain, no? Itong oras. Ganito yung oras nila para mag-maintain. Kasi sarado na eh. 7 PM, sarado na tong beach area. Wala nang naliligo. Dito rin tayo kanina, no? Wow.
Splish, splash, fun.
Ha?
Splish, splash, fun. Oh. Did you bring our bags?
No.
Why?
Because we don't need to.
Do you wanna go
We're
home?
We're just roaming around.
Oh, 11. Hi, 11.
11 daw.
Listen, those two adults.
2 adults. Ha? Pumunta sa? Lobby? Ang lobby? Saan tayo galing kanina? Saan tayo pumasok? Anong... Kakalito. Daming building. Puro building. Lakad-lakad. Doon yata tayo banda, oh. Kanina.
Ano?
Eh. Come on. What does it mean? What does that mean? Grabe, well maintained talaga, no?
Away your feet out of the grass. Why?
Linaw ng tubig, oh.
You wanna go to that pool?
Grabe, yung linaw ng tubig. Uy, no, don't clean.
Wanna go there?
Swimming inside
I don't know what's that area. Come here, come here. Ah, ito maganda dito. Hindi pa natin ito nadaanan kanina.
Sa kabila tayo pumasok.
Grabe, lakas ng hangin. Sarado na. Yeah. They're baby fountains. What's that? Square.
Square. Mama, I found a square.
Wow. A beautiful
Everything is
place.
high, but it's really cool view.
Yes.
See that up there?
Hmm.
I don't want your phone to fall.
Of course, it will not. Look, there's something in there.
What?
There's like a bubble.
Oh,
See that?
I should use my bubble laser.
And there's like underground. Look. See that? There's like the water is underground. I'm not sure if we can swim here. Can we swim? Can we swim?
No, Mama. Wow! Look at that. Valentine's Day.
It's
It's a Valentine's heart. At your beach club.
oh. Ito parang infinity pool siya, ano? Dito nag-race ng swimming Olympic size. Yeah, Olympic size swimming.
Olympic size. Yung haba
Sabi
lang.
dito, this is a lap pool. Please give way to residents performing swimming exercises for their health. Recreational swimmers may use the wave pool while children may swim at the children's beach. Do not leave your valuable at unattended. Ito yung mga do's and don'ts. Do's. Paano i-pronounce yan? Do's? Do's. Do's and don'ts. So, ganda. Parang siya ganun. Ka-elevate show. Galing naka-elevate yung ano. Yan ba? No, Nathan, don't go there, kuya.
They don't allow it. No, that one. That one.
Pwede tayo mag-check doon.
Look, it's a flower.
Other pose.
Other
Para sa tuwa na.
Ha?
Para sa tatuwa si Nathan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ah?
Stop.
I thought it's 1,000.
I like the...
No, it's
Oh.
3.
Only 3?
Yeah.
Okay, 1,
1.5, 1.5,
2,
1.6.
No.
3. Okay, 3.
So cute. You're so cute, kuya.
Nice.
Look, Halil. Halil. Look at Papa. Look at Papa. What should we put? Maybe a flower on this. Look at Papa. Come on here. Look. Hi. Go feed this baby. I'll make this baby.
Dada.
Bark.
Ayan na, ayan na. Namulot na.
Don't touch the floor.
Maybe this is good.
Ganda ng ano na yan. Picture na yan. Kami nga din hindi ko.
Okay. Lang ah.
Lapit pa ba?
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. One more.
Yeah, one here. The one here, kuya.
One more. One more. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Tingin dito. 1, 2. Kuya. 1, 2. Yan na. Job.
Do you see Papa?
Linaw ng puro. Ano kayang halaman? Ang bango pati. Amuyin mo.
Hey, can you clap?
Start to fall.
Can you clap? When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're...
Pick up.
Yeah, we'll
We're going.
We're just having...
We're taking a rest.
Because, see, I'm carrying Halal, you carry Halal. ganda nung ano.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. Doon sa other side.
Ha?
Doon sa side na yun.
Oo, di ba yung place na yan? No, not here, please. Let's go back here.
Why?
No.
Place like this. This is amazing. I'll see this.
Come here, Kuya.
We have three. We
It's
don't
like a
have
seat.
food
Oh.
to eat.
Ooh, nice.
Spread. So that
Sit down muna. Sit down, kuya. Sit down, kuya.
Baby. Hello. Ayaw pa wala kay mama.
Mamaya na lang.
1, 2.
Put your feet
Grabe.
down.
Mas pangit.
Don't lean.
Kahit wala siyang ngipin,
Don't
ano?
lean, just go with it.
Kahit wala siyang ngipin, all out smile talaga eh.
Hindi naman kasi center eh.
Yeah.
Hold armrest.
Chandelier pa lang eh.
Oh, there's another.
Look at that light there. Hey! Gusto niyo yan?
I just heard a fart.
Dance? Dance? When you're happy and you know
Yucky,
stop
yucky,
your
yucky.
feet.
Do, do, do.
job.
When you're happy and you know stop your feet.
You carry Helen, Carry Helen.
Come on, come on.